Hi students, welcome to Ariman online class for 12th mathematics, exercise 5.5. Ninth question, on lighting a rocket cracker, it gets projected in a parabolic path and reach a maximum height of 4 meter when it is 6 meter away from the point of projection. So, for example, see the diagram is the starting point, the projector, the rocket cracker goes to projector path. It maximum height 4 meter, it goes to from starting point is 6 meter. Okay. Finally, it reach the ground 12 meter away from the starting point. Finally, the rocket cracker goes to end point. This finally reach the ground. So, from the starting point, this length is 12 meter. Okay, find the angle of projection. What's the angle here? Projection of angle. Find this. Okay, so now solution. See solution. That is the rocket cracker. Goes to in parabolic path. So maximum height reach 4 meter. From starting to this point length is 6 meter. Again 6 meters. So total 12 meters. Starting point is P and then ending point is Q. So here asking question, find angle of projection at the starting point. That means here P. So now we have to draw, this is the y axis and then this is the x axis. So draw here. That is x axis and then this is the x axis and then y axis. So that is lowest point, that means center, that means vertices 0, 0. So which is starting point, the projector is goes to in parabolic path. This side is 4 meter and then this 6 again 6, so total 12 meters. So starting point is P and then end point Q. So this point is what? Third quadrant, minus 6, minus 4, that is 6, minus 4. So now we have to find out the angle of projection at P. We have to find out. Students, as per the given information, the parabola is open downward. As per the given information, the parabola is open downwards and the vertex at the origin. Okay, the equation of parabola is x square is equal to minus 4ay. Take it equation number 1. Okay, the point, take this point or this point because both are known coordination. So use Q or P. So now using the point Q of 6, minus 4 lies on the parabola. So 1 implies x coordination 6, y coordination y, substitute here. So 6, 6 are 36 equal to minus 4a into minus 4, minus into minus plus, so 16a. So 1 4s are 4, 4 4s are 16, here 9, so 9 by 4. That means 9 equal to 4a, a is equal to 9 by 4. Substitute in equation 1, x square is equal to 4 4 cancel, so minus 9y. X square is equal to minus 9y is the required equation of the parabola. That means equation of rocket cracker. Equation of rocket cracker. X square equal to minus 9y. Okay, now we have to find out the angle. That means slope. Let theta be the angle of projection at P of minus 6, minus 4. So now we have to find out slope. So slope means differentiate equation 2 with respect to x. So differentiation of x square is 2x. Is equal to minus y constant. Take this. Differentiation of y is dy by dx. So now we have to find out dy by dx equal to minus 9 taken left hand side. So minus 2x by 9. So m is equal to dy by dx at the point minus 6, 4. Substitute here. It is converted to slope of a tangent line. That is m is equal to minus 2. X coordination is 6. So minus 2 into minus 6 by 9. Substitute here. So we got minus and minus plus. So 2 6 are 12, 12 by 9. Cancel third table 4 by 3. So slope m is equal to 4 by 3. Already we have to find out if an angle of inclination is given, then slope m is equal to tan theta. So theta is equal to tan inverse of m. That means angle of inclination is equal to tan inverse of m, already known in 10th standard. So the angle of projection is theta is equal to tan inverse of m. So substitute m value. So m is equal to tan inverse of 4 by 3. 4 by 3 is not a standard value. So therefore the angle of projection is tan inverse of 4 by 3. So the angle of projection of this rocket cracker in this place is what? Tan inverse of 4 by 3. Students, conclusion we have to write the angle of projection is theta is equal to tan inverse of 4 by 3. That is a very important problem. So do it, students. Okay, thank you.